I just need some place where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my hand. No was all he said. Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. I picked up my bag. I went looking for a place to hide. When I saw Carmen and the devil walking side by side, I said, hey Carmen, come on, let's go downtown. She said, I gotta go, but my friend can stick around. Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. Go down, Miss Moses, there's nothing you can say. It's just old Luke, and Luke's waiting on the judgment day. Well, Luke, my friend, what about young Anna Lee? He said, do me a favor, son, won't you stay and keep Anna Lee company? Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me.
Crazy Chester followed me and he cut me in the fall. He said, I will fix your rat if you take Jack, my dog. I said, wait a minute, Chester, you know I'm a peaceful man. He said, that's okay, boy, won't you feed me when you can?
Yeah, take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. Get your cannonball now to take me down the line. My bag is sinking low, and I do believe it's time to get back to Miss Fanny. You know she's the only one who sent me here with her regards for everyone. Take a load off Fanny. Take a load free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me.
I'm long gone to the Yukon, boys, 'cause the Yukon is calling for me. Well, brother, I just got your note this morning, and you tell me that you found a little gold, and before another day is dawning, on that long northern train I'm gonna roll. I can see a little cabin by the mountains. I'll soon be there to share the gold with you, 'cause I wanna live a life like Robert Service, old Sam McGee and Dangerous Dan McGrew. 'Cause I'm long gone to the Yukon, those northern lights I wanna see. I'm long, long gone to the Yukon, boys, 'cause the Yukon is calling for me. Yeah, the Yukon is calling for me. Where the wind along the river will be music, and the midnight sun is always riding low, I'll paddle my canoe along the Klondike, and I'll pan the gold and be a sourdough. And when I pull into Dawson City, Yukon, I'll be heading for the Diamond Lil Saloon. I'll gamble to a honky-tonk piano, and I'll chase the dancing girls around the room. 'Cause I'm long gone to the Yukon, those northern lights I wanna see. I'm long, long gone to the Yukon, boys, 'cause the Yukon is calling for me. Yeah, the Yukon is calling for me. Well, they say that once you've heard those mystic voices, from the silence of the north you can't return. Now I hear that lonesome timber wolf a-callin' by the fire where I watch the bannock burn. Now it won't be long before I'm picking nuggets. My brother says they're lying everywhere. My boss is gonna wanna be my butler, 'cause when I come back I'll be a millionaire. I'm long gone to the Yukon, those northern lights I wanna see. I'm long, long gone to the Yukon, boys,